Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Napshigo. The song is Party Time, the artist is Kid the Wiz, and the choreography is Jerome Bentley. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, you can watch till the end and also check out the choreographer. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st of this year, 2025. Please visit our website for all the detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. And let's go.
Hey, yo, I was just driving along, and road that I take many times, and all of a sudden, I heard music. You know, I looked out, turned off the radio, and it was not. And the music was getting louder and louder, and it was beating in my ears. I could hear the tune and everything. I recognized the tune.
Yo, that's a workout. Woo! You want to get your heart rate up? That one right there. That's natural. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.